Okay, what we're going to do now is look at inserting data tables and how we can then take data from a tracked marker and put that into the data table. So what I've done, we've gone back to our golfing clip here. I've set up the marker on the hands as we had done before, so if you play that you can watch it following the hands there. What we now need to do is go to this icon here, this data table. If you right click on the data table, down the corner you'll get these different ones you can do. So it might be an angle, distance, time, but it's data table we want. Go anywhere on the screen, I'll put it up in the top left corner here, left click and drag out. And this is your standard that you get to start with, timecode and data. If we right click, we can add columns, things like average speed, interval length, duration, this sort of thing. We'll put average speed in. So we've got 3 columns there. Okay, what we need to do is holding down the control button, left click on the hands on the marker, and then we right click on this square here while still having the control button held down, and we should get this options coming up. Display XY of the second drawing in the column, display just the X coordinate or just the Y coordinate. Now let's say if we're going to do the speed from left to right instead of the whole up and down and left and right speed, so we're going to just do the X coordinate, so we'll have that there. And this says how many times, how many entries do we want to have in there. So with having it every 2 fields, it means every 0.04 seconds it's going to put some data in. So I think I'll increase this up to, let's say, 10, so that every 0.2 of a second we'll have some data in there. So if you click OK. Now when we press play, we should have the time code will appear in here, and we'll get the X coordinate appearing there, and it'll calculate then the average speed on that. If you just do that, and there we have it. So that's putting data into a data table automatically from a marker.